Hello guys, welcome back again to the part number 6. We will continue coding our YouTube application. Last part we uploaded videos to our channel. We created a channel and we uploaded videos. We can do this again from scratch, like because I was coding. Let me connect to the DB users or channels. Let me delete this channel. Let me delete these videos. Delete. Now it will ask me to create my channel. It's gonna be with my name. Let's choose this. Save. Now let's make an update here. Because I have a channel, I will render my channel image, not this image. Okay, basically it's this. This is in the site header. Control P, site dash header. Okay, let me pop over avatar image. Yes, and in the site header there is a user. Okay, and the user is got from where? Let's go to the layout page. User, get auth user. Let's log the user. This is the user, so we need to go into this function and the user to return auth user channel image like this. We are going to pass the channel image. It's gonna be a it's not gonna be required, and it's gonna be a string. Okay, get auth user const channel found user channel image. Let channel image 2 points string or null, and initially it's gonna be a null, so later we are gonna to call the channel model. If there is a channel, the channel image is gonna be the channel dot image URL. We got here image URL. Yes. What is this? It's assigned but never use it. Okay, no problem. Channel URL. Or undefined. Okay, great. Now we got our channel. Let's go to the site header. So basically here in the avatar, if the user has grayscale, or I'm gonna make nothing, because we have avatar fallback. We are going now to remove the grayscale. Good. This is my channel image, YouTube Studio. So create new video. First video. Let me write any description. Let me add a thumbnail URL like this. Let me upload this. Upload video. What's going on here? It's upload. second video. Let me go to ChatGPT. Give me real videos, names, and descriptions for test. Okay. To make it easier, I'm gonna not upload through the interface. I'm gonna just do the DB here. Clone, insert, clone, insert, clone, insert, clone, insert. How much we have now? We have 5 videos. Okay, we can let me take this title, put it here. Let me take this description and put it here. Let me update, and I'm doing the same because I don't want to write the names myself, and I do not want also to upload through the interface, because we are going to select always the thumbnail and the video and write the name. Date, and it left only this one, crash course. Let me finish with this one. Okay, now today we can go through search. We can learn server actions and search. We got let me, by the way, fix the card. I'm logging here the user inside the layout, of course. Layout, console log user. It's not be logged in again. Now let's go to the studio. Where is the studio page? Let me close this. Studio page, client, okay. Description. It's gonna be studio section or create channel studio section. First card. Image description, yes. Dot slice 0100. Okay, 0100 character, it's okay. Like 2 lines, it's gonna be. We can add padding bottom into the card, into this card. I think yes. Padding bottom dash 2. Let's make it 4. Why it's not working? Basically we can make the height 308 pixels. Good. Now it's good. Let's go to the home page. Now in the home page, basically, let me introduce you the power of Next.js search params. We can go to the home page. It's gonna be this page. First of all, I'm gonna delete everything here. I'm not gonna let part of code. Okay. Home. Okay. Basically, guys, here, const page type page params. Okay, it's a slug query. We don't need page params. Search params. It's gonna be query search params. By convention, it's named search params, and there is also page params. Page params, we can learn it later. In this example, we don't need page params. We are going to need only search params. Okay, const query await search params. CLG query. Okay, I'm gonna make it like this, and now let me type a param query equals AAAA. It's gonna print here AAA, so search params has worked. Whatever the param you type, you should prepare its type. It's not required, of course. That's all. Now we need to search for videos by this query. Action video response. We are going to return this const search videos video response or null. Try catch a block. I'm gonna wait to connect to the DB. Const we are going to write a regex by this query. The I means case insensitive. Videos, I'm gonna search by title, and I'm gonna search by description. Videos to return, same as the get videos. My videos. Here in get videos, we are finding the video by channel ID and by user ID. But here in global, I can find any one video in the home page. So return and error. That's all, guys. Okay, this is a mistake here. What's going on? Const. I'm gonna export async function better than const. Export async function search videos. Basically, it's gonna return like this or null. Control P, let's go to the page. Const videos. No. Videos response. Videos response search videos. Const videos. Basically, it's gonna be initially an empty array, and it's gonna be let an array of video response why it's not accepting the query argument string or okay. Basically here query or empty string. Okay, and we are going to modify this now. We return back. It's gonna be a string always. If there is, we are going to make rejects. Basically here also dot, sorry, it's gonna be or. I'm gonna search or with the title or with the description. Match description and match title, and it's gonna be or. If we make it and, it will be the intersection between them, but we need the union between them. Okay, dot limit we are going to limit by 100 result. 100 result. I'm not going to sort them by anything. Here const query equals, so query dot trim. The trim functions remove the spaces from the begin and the end of a string. Search query, it's gonna be query dot trim. If the query dot trim dot length, or it's gonna be an empty like this. So if the query dot trim dot length, it's gonna be a positive string, like not empty. I'm gonna search with the or rejects, or I'm gonna just return the products, no the videos, no query, and the search query. So this is now works with search and with simple fetch. What is this? What is this? Let video, okay. If console log videos. Videos are empty. Why videos are empty? Because there is no query AAA. Now let me search with, for example, morning workout. Control V. Search morning workout, and we got video. We got video. Good. Let us now create the render function for here. Let us create the card. We can just check the YouTube real card. Can choose a card. Can choose a card. So it's easy. On hover, it has a background and it's rounded. Okay, I can create it. No problem. We are going to make name, subscription, views, and time. That's all. Let's close this. Great. Let's go to the components. Video TS6, sorry. Export function video. It's a video response. It's gonna take a video response, and it's gonna return a div. Wow, div. Its class name can be like this. Video. What title, for example? Let us render with this video in the home page. We have videos here. Videos dot length positive if it's positive. So we have videos. We are going to render what? Videos. I'm gonna map through these videos, and for each video I'm gonna render a video card. Else we are going to put not found or no video found. We should call this video from our component that we created now. Do not forget to bind for each video a unique key. It's gonna be the video ID. No videos found. It's gonna render cards now. It rendered one card. CLG videos dot length. Okay, it's only one video. We are not going to search by anything. Okay, let's delete this query, and the length will be 5. Great. Now it's gonna be a grid, 1 column from MD. It's gonna be 2 column from large. It's gonna be like 4 column or 3 column. Okay. From MD 2 column, from large 3, from extra large it's gonna be 4 columns. Great, very good. So like this it will be dynamic. We can go back, and we need now to create, first of all, to develop this, I need to make a background until I can see borders and everything. Then we will remove it. pg dash red dash for example I can put 500. Wow. We will optimize this later. Okay, I don't, why the width is like this? I'm gonna let it 500. It's shrinking in the real one. The real one, it shrinks, but no problem. No problem. For the large, it's okay. So, extra large, 2 points. Extra large, 2 points. Now let's resize. Let's go here until I can see. We need to define small and medium and large also. Small, medium, large. Okay. So what I did, I passed the videos in the grid like this, and I made it dynamic this time. I made 3 sizes. It can change later, but basically I'm gonna use the medium one always. So the link will be like this. Watch. we are going to create this page. It's gonna be a dynamic route, an image, and the channel avatar and everything. And with these helpers are like to format views and to format the time ago. Let's see. It's fully dynamic, like this. Let's search for like a pro, like a pro, and we got directly. Go back. Now let me on hover make the video works. Let's go to the page. I'm not gonna make this happens. Let's go for the video. Is hovering, state false. It will say your state is used only in client components. Because it's gonna be a client component. So the video renders on client side. Here is hovering, okay. We got an image. Inside the div, on key down, on mouse down, so mouse enter. Okay. If is hovering, I'm gonna return p tag calls hover, else I'm gonna return the image. Like this. Let's try to hover a video. Like this, like this, like this, like this. Good. Now let's render the video. If it's hovering, we are going to return video. This video has a source. Autoplay muted loop. Voila. Very good, guys. I think it's very good. Now we got our videos. Later we can add more videos. Now on click, it's gonna redirect us to this page. Watch. Let's create the dynamic watch. First of all, let's make the input search with the enter key. I can search with the enter keyboard. Why always clicking on this? And let's optimize this. Site header. Site header. Please always, if you liked this video and my coding skills, I'm trying to explain everything I know exactly for you in an easy way. So please subscribe to the channel and write a comment or like the video if you liked it. Search, set, search, input, const, handle. Okay, I'm not gonna set the search. Handle input. Handle input. Change. handle input change, and I'm gonna track the event.key, um, if so basically here, if the input is empty string, we are going to replace to the home page. Now const handle key down, it's like this. So it's React keyboard event HTML input element. Of course, we are going to handle key down from the input. We are going to handle the search. And we should put like this on key down. So basically, we can write 10 and press enter. Okay, the search is incorrect. Handle search. Router dot replace. Slash. Okay. Like this. Like this. And like this. Let's make this cursor point. Input button. I think it's this. Cursor point. Like this. Home. Enter. It's a great. Let's create now with the power of search params. We are not going to use search params now. We are going to use page params. I told you in the home page we don't need page params, but now we need it. We need it now. So let's go to the app. We are going to create a dynamic route. First of all, our main route is watch. Watch. Inside the watch, it's gonna be a video ID or ID directly. No matter what you write, just remember what you write because we are going to use it. I can write blah 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 here, and I should use exactly the same key. I write it here ID, so page dot tsx, sorry, tsx rename tsx, okay. Export default function const or type page params. Of course, it's a promise that return a page params, which is an ID. Remember, if we rename this and we make it IDX, for example, and here we are listening for the ID, CLG ID, it's not gonna return anything. You can go here, it's not gonna return anything. Of course, this route is undefined. Let me rename it. Let's make ID, it's gonna work. And now we can listen for IDX. It will return undefined. Remember, the page param you define should be in the dynamic route, or it can be also here. It can be static route at exactly the same name. Also, the search params should be exactly same name. Now we got the ID. Now what we should do, we should go to video, export function, get video by ID, because here we have the video ID from Mongo. It's gonna be a try catch block, sorry for this guys, try catch block. I'm gonna await to connect to the database, await db connect as always, as we told always. We wrote this function works with the Next.js ecosystem. Like the Next.js is built in top of Node.js. It uses Node.js, so we can connect with Node to MongoDB. We don't need a dedicated API, and we don't need a dedicated client side. Only we need one application, one full stack application, and it will be powerful, as you can see. Find by ID. Let's return all of these. It should not be an error now. Why it's returning an error? Try catch. What's the problem here? We need another closing curly braces page const let video, it's gonna be a video response or null. Wait, get video by ID. Okay. If there is no video, return not found. Not found from next navigation, huh? From next navigation. We are going to configure the not found page later together. Else, return watch, or we can render a video. A large one. So it will be like this, the video. Let me now make exactly the same video player like YouTube. So basically it's gonna be two sections. It's gonna be two sections, grid like this. It's not half, grid, three parts and one part per 4. So basically this gonna be a class name with padding, no problem. And it's gonna be a grid. It's gonna be a grid dash how many columns? How many columns? It can be 8 columns, or let it be simple. A div column span 3, okay. A another div a column span 1. So it's 4 parts. The first div will get 3 parts, the second div will get only 1 part, and it's gonna be like this, the video here and the other for comments section and related videos. Let's make BG red and BG blue. It's gonna be like this, guys. It's gonna be like this. Let's reduce, or it's okay, we can keep the padding on 8. We can keep the padding on 8. So now here basically what we need to create this page. It's so easy. We always create almost of the components we are going to use them. For the video, it's the same video card, just I made it bigger. You can see it in the repo. I will keep the code later. And just here it should be dynamic. So from small to large, the first section will be a column span 4, like to take all the space, and from large and above it will be it will take 3 sections, and the third one, the second part, will take 1 section. And for related videos it will be like this. So now just let's make this video autoplay. Recommended videos, recommended video response. Of course, how we created the recommended video response. Search videos of nothing. We are just returning these videos. We can create regex subscribers. Of course, for now subscribers it's hard coded. We are going to add subscribe functionality, like, dislike, share, download, and comment section. Just for now, let's make the video autoplay. Video autoplay. Why the autoplay is not working? Controls. Sorry. Control should be shown. Why it's not autoplay? Okay, muted loop. Okay, I remove muted. It's not playing because of muted. Let's remove this. We don't have sound permission. This is why it's not autoplay. Site settings, sound, allow sound. Let's go back, reload, and it will autoplay. Okay. Later in production we will get sound permission. So I think let's make this go to the home page. Control P, site header, image. This is a client component, no problem. Under home, router.replace, let's handle home. One click, handle home. Cursor pointer, like this. Very good. Now I prefer to fix this, because in toggle theme, if theme is light, it's gonna logo light. So what is the logo light? Logo dark. let's see. There is a problem, I think, with no problem. Light mode. Good, very good. So like this, we got we almost creating the finished the creation of the YouTube clone. Thank you very much, guys, for watching the video. I think we are almost done. We are pushing away to continue complete this build. It's gonna be awesome. Later we will deploy it and everyone can use it. Thank you very much. Be ready for the next part. Bye.